Akwaba, welcome back to the Green Future Ghana podcast, your go-to podcast for understanding our changing environment and building a sustainable future. I am your host, Safwa Black Barbie. In our last 3 episodes, we established that climate change is real and it's happening fast here in Ghana. We've seen the floods in Accra, the erratic rains affecting our farmers, and the coastal erosion taking away our beaches, right? But today, in episode 4 of the Green Future Ghana podcast, we are asking the difficult question. Who is doing this? Spoiler alert, it is us. It is human activity. Today, we are focusing on the human fingerprint on climate change. We will break down the top activities in Ghana that are heating up our planet, from deforestation to the smoke from our transport sector. By the end of this 30 minutes, you will understand exactly how our daily habits contributes to this global crisis and why it is important or within our power to stop it. Let's talk about the greenhouse effect in Ghanaian terms. Let's start with a quick refresher. What does human activity causing climate change actually mean? Imagine the Earth wearing a blanket. That blanket in our atmosphere keeping us warm. The blankets, it is our atmosphere which is keeping us warm, if you understand. But by burning fossil fuel, oil, gas, and coal, and cutting down trees even, humans are making the blanket thicker and thicker. In Ghana, this looks like the thick black smoke behind a trotro, or let me say a trotsky, in a rush hour traffic, or the haze over a community when bushes are burned to clear land. These are greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, and methane trapping heat. According to studies, Ghana is highly vulnerable to this, which means temperatures projected to increase up to 5 degrees Celsius by the 2090s. And it's very serious. This isn't just theory, it's our future. Now let's look at the top 4 human drivers in Ghana of climate change. So, what are the primary activities causing this in Ghana, to be precise? Based on reports from the EPA, that is Environmental Protection Authority, and local studies, 4 things stand out. Number 1 is transportation and fossil fuels, which contribute 47% of this. The transport sector is actually the largest contributor to energy-related emissions in Ghana. Think of the old cars stuck in traffic in Accra, Tema, and Kumasi. Inefficient driving styles, idling in traffic, and reliance on imported used vehicles mean we are burning fuel faster than we can breathe clean air. Number 2 is deforestation and land use change, the green gap. Trees are our friends, and we all know this. They absorb carbon dioxide, but Ghana has one of the largest rates of deforestation in Africa. Now, Galamsey, illegal mining to be precise, is destroying our forests and cocoa lands. Cutting trees for charcoal and wood fuel. When these trees are cut or burned, they release all that stored carbon back into the atmosphere. Yes. Number 3 is agriculture and bush burning. It's ironic, isn't it? But the farming sector is both a victim and a cause. Bush burning, a very common yet destructive practice to clear land for farming. It releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide and methane. Fertilizers. The excessive use of nitrogen fertilizers releases nitrous oxide, a powerful greenhouse gas. Number 4 is waste management, the burning issue. Walking through many communities, you see people burning plastic and household waste, right? This rubbish burning directly releases harmful gases and black carbon, contributing to the haze and the heat. Let's look at the impact on our livelihoods, the cost that we have to pay for all of this. Why should we care? Because it's hurting us directly. Yes. Let's talk about food security. With erratic rain, our cocoa and maize farmers cannot predict the seasons, leading to lower yields. Energy crisis. Because 54% of our power comes from hydro dams, when it doesn't rain enough, our dams dry up, leading to the doomsaw we all dislike and hate so much. Let's talk about our health sector. The pollution from these activities causes respiratory illness in children and the elderly. Now, what is our power to act? Let's look at the solutions because we can do it. It sounds grim, but there is hope because we are causing it. So we should be able to stop it. In fact, because we are causing it, we should be able to stop it and we can stop it. Let's adopt cleaner energy. Support the transition to electric vehicles, that is mobility, and renewable energy. Plant a tree, that is greening Ghana. It isn't just a slogan, it is carbon removal. Let's stop the burning. Stop bush burning and find better ways to manage waste, like composting or recycling. As students from the African Science Academy, ASA, suggested, small actions like proper waste segregation can make a massive difference. To wrap up, climate change isn't just a foreign issue. It is driven by the smoke in our cities, the trees cut down in our forests, and the fire in our fields. But this is also a call to action. We have the power to create a green future for Ghana, just like our NGO Green Future Ghana is aiming at. Thank you for listening to episode 4 of the Green Future Ghana podcast. If you enjoy this, share it with a friend. And don't forget to take a small green step today. I am your host, Safar Blackberry. Until next time, stay green. And do reach us out on our socials, on TikTok, Green Future Ghana, on YouTube, Green Future Ghana, and send us an email, greenfutureghana.org, www.greenfutureghana.org. Peace out.